Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to train a custom regression model using the newest version of aicuflow. So let's get into it. So first things first, we're going to create a new flow and upload our dataset. I'm going to start by renaming this flow by clicking right here on the top left. I'm going to name it training regression. Next, to upload your dataset, take a look at the left toolbar. The first option is Flow Editor and the second one is File Manager. Click on File Manager and you're taken to this page. Now simply click on Upload Data and select your file or your folder depending on what you're working with. I'm gonna go on Select File. I have my dataset right here. Click on it and press Open. Now just confirm by uploading it and you're gonna see a ready sign here when you're good to go. By clicking on the dataset right here, you can preview what it looks like and take a look if it looks correct according to what you need. Now we're gonna go back to the flow editor and it's time to build our AI pipeline. For this training, we're going to need 3 simple nodes. One quick and easy way to do this would be by simply telling the AI builder what you want to build and it'll help you with ready-to-use templates. But right now I'm going to show you the manual way to do it. So we're going to click on the plus sign, which is the node library right here. And the first node is going to be select data. The second node that we're going to need is train AI model. And the third one is going to be to preview the output. Once we have the 3 nodes, we're just going to head over to the main canvas and arrange these in a line and simply connect the nodes with each other, like so. And just like that, we're ready to feed the pipeline with our data and start the training. So start by going on to the select data node right here and make sure your data set is selected, save selection. Next, you click on the Train AI model. Here, we're supposed to select the category. I'm going to go with Tab Builder, and the subcategory is going to be Regression. The model could be either of these. I'm just going to stick with XGBoost Regressor and save and continue. You're taken to the Input tab automatically. Here I'm just gonna have a look at the feature columns and make sure I select the ones that are necessary and take out the ones that I do not want in this analysis. One thing that you have to keep in mind here is to pick a target column and make sure that you remove that feature from the feature columns list. I'm gonna go with build ribbon as my target column and take it out from the feature and add it to the target column instead. We do this so that the model doesn't, so to say, cheat by looking at the answer during the training. Next, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to enable the hyperparameter tuning here. This is to ensure that we get the lowest possible error margin for our predictions. If you scroll down, you see a lot more features that you could adjust depending on what you're exactly looking for. I'm going to leave it as it is and save as well as close this. Now, all that's left to do is run the model. If you go here and press on this play button, it's going to run your flow. And as the logs scroll by, aicuflow is performing mathematical calculations to find the best line of best fit for our data. This might take a few seconds. Once the training is completed, you're going to see a sign up here and you're finally ready to preview the output. You could either click on here or the node here, and there you have all your key measurements, the R-squared score, the RMSE, and so on. And with this, our training is complete. If you have any more questions, feel free to check out the documentation or contact aicuflow through our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.